back to another exciting episode of Cross Street Classics. We are back here today with a really exciting episode. Blake's S10. The last video we made was getting the frame all together, getting it done, getting it back on its wheels. And since then we got the engine ready to drop in. We got the engine over here on our lift. I didn't feel like getting the engine hoist out, so we're just going to use this. It's here, it's convenient, and this is what we're going to do. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the lift up with the engine here in the air, and we're going to wheel the frame underneath it and drop it down. Blake got the motor mount bolts all ready to go. So let's get this in and get this truck closer to done. All right, guys, back here, another update on the frame. Pretty exciting day actually here. Walk through. We got the engine all bolted in. Got some lines hooked up. Got all the wiring laid out and done. Ran the wiring from this harness to the back. This engine we got off of a friend of Blake's, his dad. It's come out of an 87 Blazer. So we knew there were some differences in it, and wasn't a whole lot. I did some investigating before we tackled this, and the ECM is the same from 86 to 87, so that was cool. So we went through all the pins and all the plugs and compared them to the 86 harness, and had a couple discrepancies, but we were able to work them out. And then we had to add this block here, which is the, I guess you call it the chassis harness. The Blazers must have a different way of getting the wiring back to the taillights. I'm assuming probably in the dash harness, I guess, I don't know. So got all that laid out. We spent some time getting this figured out, but we did, and we're hoping it works. Fuel tank's in, it's done. Got the filler neck here. I got our fuel pump wiring back. Blake got his shocks on. Obviously wheels and tires. And most important is we got the cab over here on the body cart, getting ready to go onto the lift. And for the first time in, 4 months, 3 months here maybe, we're gonna marry these two back together. And I'm going to be able to get some space back in my garage. And don't mind the mess, guys. It's been a project here. So we're going to set this up, and we're going to get the cab on. And enjoy here, guys. All right, guys, so we got the cab on the frame, and we have all of our connections hooked up, we think, here. Got the brakes hooked up, just doing some gravity bleeding here right now. The front ones are done, waiting on the backs to flow back through there. Got the speedometer cable run, got it hooked up. All the wiring seems to be done. And Got the ECM plugs in through there. Got the ECM plugged in. So I think it's going to wrap up this video, guys, for this one here, for getting the body back on the frame, get it back on its wheels. This has been a lengthy one. So as always, guys, we appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, and commenting below. We'll catch you next time. Thanks.